Guys, welcome back. Sorry, it's been a while. I've been having a lot of stuff going on. I did get rid of the Pathfinder, by the way. I traded it for this car right here. It's a 2000 Volvo S80 T6, and when I got it, it wasn't running. The guy couldn't get it to start. It sat for 2 years. He couldn't get it to start. And he thought it was one fuse box that was in the back, and I bought one. Had to get all the way from Germany. Got it here and everything, and come to find out, that wasn't the issue. The whole issue was he had the main power wire that goes to the front of the car backwards. He had it on the negative and not the positive. Of course, I had the part ordered, and it was already here because I took his advice on it because he was a mechanic. So, well, that wasn't it. So I just went on a limb and I swapped that big wire over, and it started working. Everything fired up. Has 91,000 miles on it. It's a twin turbo inline 6. I plan on doing exhaust to it. Oh, sorry. There has been some stuff that happened to the Duramax. My dad took it to work one day, and somebody decided to hit it there. You see on the door handle right there. Even up here, he even scraped it somehow. But yeah, now that door won't open. So, and we don't know who did it. Supposedly no security cameras caught it or anything. Well, I beg to differ on that. It's the one day he took it to work and somebody hit it. But what I'm going to do for you guys is I'm going to do a cold start on it. It's raw. To me, it's not that cold. We just got snow this morning and whatnot, and it's been probably a couple weeks since the truck's been started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the truck up for you guys and do a cold start. Yeah, so it hasn't been driven for a while because of that, of it getting hit. But we got a little bit of snow. I'm gonna plow the street a little bit and everything. So let me sit you guys down so I can move my car and unwrap the four-wheeler and get it started for you guys. Sorry if the camera quality is crap. And I did fix the front strut on this four-wheeler. Yeah, that was a fun process. It sucked, but I'm gonna set you guys up so I can get set up and everything. So I will get back to you guys here in a minute. Sorry about that, my camera's all screwy, so just hold on 1 second, guys. do is I'm gonna go grab my head strap for my GoPro, and I'm gonna take you guys out on the four-wheeler for a little bit. So if you guys would like to hang on, I'll be back in 1 minute. Okay guys, right now I'm gonna do now is go for a little ride. I couldn't find my head mount, so I got my chest mount. I gotta find it. Sorry about the wind noise. Alright guys, one of the things I gotta say is all the stuff you guys see me doing on four-wheelers and all that, just hold on a second. What I was saying is, all this stuff you guys see me do on the four-wheelers or in cars or anything like that, four-wheelers, I used to race them. I raced them for a while back in the day with my buddy. I always used his four-wheeler and everything, but I used to always race them, so if you're not properly trained on them, don't try some of the stuff I do because you can seriously hurt yourself. In cars, what I always do is I always test my cars to see what they can do so I know the limits of my cars. So I know how hard I can push my car and everything before I go and do everything. Just like this winter, I'm going to take this car out. I'm going to go to an empty parking lot, deliberately spin it out and everything, so I know how the car handles in the snow. But that's all I say on that. And more on this car here, I'll show you some stuff. Let's see, all leather seats, heated leather seats and everything. And another reason I haven't been posting videos is I have a new baby at the house now. My girlfriend had her son, and I adopted him. And he's 2 months old. He was born on my birthday, October 1st at 11:16 p.m. So I couldn't have asked for a better birthday present, and we've been doing a lot of stuff with him. Here's the engine. It's the twin turbo, as you can see right back here. There's one turbo and there's another turbo right there. Inline 6. For it being a Volvo, it surprised me on what it could do. In Mexico, just last weekend, me and my dad and his Pontiac Bonneville supercharged raced in Mexico, and well, we stopped at right around 1:30 in Mexico. So but I hear these things are governed out at 155. I doubt I'll ever find that out except for on a racetrack. So but yeah, that's the car. The Avenger is still here. It is sitting. The piston slapping it got worse. But my mom, she moved back in with us and started dating my dad again. So we've been getting her situated and everything still. My dad went hunting. I didn't get to go hunting this year because of the baby. That was first priority for me. And I'm going to try to upload more. I don't know what I'm going to upload because I don't know what to do. I don't got a lot of stuff around here. We did get set up for Christmas. Got our Christmas tree. Got some lights set up in the house. I plan on doing... I don't know if I'm going to do a 3-inch back from turbos, or if I'm just going to do the 3-inch cat back exhaust. If anybody knows anything about these cars, let me know, or where I can find parts for them. I have the 2.8, I think it is. I mean, should double check. The 2.8 twin turbo. Let's see here if it says it anywhere on here. Well, there's the specs for it. 2.7. So 2.7, 2.8. Let's see what this is. It doesn't say. If you guys know of anywhere I can find performance parts, performance upgrades, anything like that, because to be honest, I can't hardly find anything for these cars. The Avenger, we plan on doing a full build on it still. Just my dad got a new job and everything, so we're getting money piled up. And the little thing I was doing off to the side didn't go that well. So I was hoping YouTube would kick off. Well, it hasn't yet. So, but oh well, I gotta do it for the fun anyways, and do it for the entertainment. But the boat is put away for the winter and everything. It's winterized. I do got some tires. If anybody knows the tires, let's see if I can get over to them. They're free. I wouldn't recommend putting them on a vehicle because they are pretty wore down. As you guys can see, they're all pretty well wore down. They are 265 70 R17s, and maybe use them for planners or something around the house, or for a go-kart track or something. Let me know, message me, or in the comments or something, if you guys know anybody that might want them. Because the city's starting to complain, which is town's good for. But I thought I'd give you guys a little bit of an update. So I will talk to you guys later. Have a good day. If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, share it. Help me get some views out there. and it'll help me get some better content for the channel. So thank you everybody for watching, and I hope you guys have a good day and a Merry Christmas.